Welcome to the demonstration of e-Pariksha, online solutions for conducting tests as well as examinations. So recently there has been a lot of fuzz about AI and ML powered technology for conducting online exams and routine tests, which may include both objective as well as subjective type questions to be attempted by the students. ePariksha, developed by VH Softwares and VH Studies Private Limited, tries to provide you a one-stop complete solution for conducting online examinations and tests. So before I begin with the practical demonstration of our software, let me take you to the key features of our software. So moving on to the number one feature of our software, which is artificial intelligence. So what AI does here is help the teachers as well as the management of the school to prevent the cheating by the students by capturing the audio as well as the video movements of the student while they are answering the tests and exams. Number two is the auto proctoring system. So there have been some of the platforms which offer online examinations or an alternative to the online examination wherein the teachers have to practically proctor the students, whereas that particular method may not be so much successful because the teacher is only able to see the video and not the screen of that student, and the student can very easily change the screen and go to Google and just copy paste the answers. Whereas in our system, since it is relying upon artificial intelligence, all the movements of the students, whether it is on screen or it is through audio mode or either through visual mode, it all gets captured and it gets checked through our auto proctoring system, and the student can even face cancellation of exam in case his conduct is such. So moving on to the third feature, which is voice recognition. So voice typing enables users which have slow typing speed to create and attempt the tests and examination. So whether it is a teacher or it is a student, they both will be able to use voice typing technology in order to answer or create questions which can be easily used by both the students as well as the teachers. Now the interesting feature here is it offers voice typing in both English as well as Hindi language. If you want more of such regional languages to be developed by us, you can easily contact us, and we have separate modules for such other languages as you may want. Number 4, this is teacher independent. That means that the exams and tests can be created dynamically with total independence to the teacher, whether the teacher wants short answers or long answers or MCQs or fill in the blanks. So these all options are available to the teacher, and he or she can very easily type the questions or voice type the questions, and the exam will be created with time constraint. That's the very important point of it. So the teacher can also place over it a time constraint that the student will be able to answer this question paper between this and this time only. So in case the student wants to answer it before the specified time or after the specified time, it will not allow it. So what happens generally with Google Form or Microsoft Form, that the link is shared and the students go to those links and just copy those questions, and the cheating is very easily possible. But with our platform, it is next to impossible to get a link or a question paper. Now moving on to the sixth feature of our software, the question support. Teacher can add as many as number of questions with dynamic question types. As I've already told you that we support all types of questions, be it MCQ or true or false or short answer or long answer or fill in the blanks, and the teacher has the choice of having as many of questions as he or she wants. Moreover, this is both Hindi as well as Sanskrit enabled, so there is no constraint on the language, and easily tests can be conducted for both the languages on English or Hindi or Sanskrit, or even if you say on other regional languages if you want, we can even give you those models. The best feature which I would describe is the encryption part of it. You see, there have been some platforms like Zoom or with other platforms which are highly risky, which are not safe to use, but our platform is 100% encrypted. So the data which is being sent to the database and the data which is coming from the database is 100% encrypted with SSL certification of 256 bits and even higher. So you can totally rely on us, and it means total safety for you on our software. Through this also you can get the records, which is the attendance and the marks record maintained. These are easily maintained without any loss of data about the students. If you want to get the percentage of the student in the last examination, you can very easily find it with no data loss, and you can even export it to the specified format. In case you want it in Excel, you want it in PDF, you want it in CSV or in text file or in Word file, all of these things are available with us. Moreover, this is cheating safe because of the detection of the expressions of the video, of the audio, and the screen safety techniques which we have used here, as well as the timer. This becomes a very safe platform to use, as well as to conduct the online examinations and routine tests without any haste. So let's not waste any further time and begin with the demonstration of our software. So this is the login page where the teacher as well as the student has to enter his username and password in order to log in. And there are two modules, one for a student and one for the teacher, which are two different modules having different kind of features. So let me show you the teacher module first. So suppose the teacher enters his username and password and clicks on login. The teacher has got three options here. One is to create a new exam or test for the students. The second is to check the answers, that is evaluation of the answers by the students, given by the students. And the third one is the record section. And these all things are encrypted and supported with AI as well as ML. So let me first create a new exam and demonstrate how to do that. So let me type in demonstration paper with 5 marks having a time limit of 5 minutes. So this is in minutes format, and the date would be today's. So you have got a calendar to choose, and you can even schedule your exam even before months, like it's May 2020 and you have to conduct some examination in July or in June. So you can do it right here with our features from date and start time and end time. So let me just choose today's date, and let's enter 10:10 p.m. and the end time would be around 10:30 p.m. So the student will only be able to enter between 10:10 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. and the instructions would go here. And let me just type some instructions. For say these are my instructions. You can also use the voice typing feature both in English as well as Hindi language, and it will automatically type questions for you and even the instructions for you, or the marks or the subject or the paper. So the teacher can now choose between these 5 options, that is the MCQ, true false, fill-ups, short answers, as well as the long answers. So let me just choose MCQ first, which is of 5 marks. So you have to enter your marks here. The question would be a very general question: what is the capital of India? Let me just write in New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, or Chennai. And I'm done with creating my exam. I just have to save this now. So I'll just click on submit button, and here I have a message popped up that exam has been created successfully with this and this ID. So I'll just copy this ID so that I can just share it to my students, and the students can answer it very easily. So I have just copied it, and I'm done with creating the examination. So now let me do a login as a student who has the ID, exam ID. So let me just log in as a student. So a student can do only two things: either he or she can take an exam or test online, or he or she can view the result. So let me first demonstrate the taking of examination. Here I have to enter the exam ID and I have to click on the proceed button, and here I am directed to the answer console, wherein there is automatic web integration with artificial intelligence, and this software is already aware that I am speaking at this moment of time, and this also detects the tab and the application change if you are doing. Even this can even detect a cell phone, a textbook, or anything which can be used as a cheating material. In case I am looking left or right for some time which I won't reveal, so for that particular time if I am looking for at the left or at the right or in the bottom or above, then it will automatically cancel the examination. In case the student is redirecting to a web browser, to a PDF, to a Word document, that will also be taken care of in this particular window. More so, there is no copy paste available in this window, and there is a timer going on, and I have already spent 2.5 minutes speaking about this window, so let me just please answer it. So what is the capital of India? It's New Delhi. And I can even use the voice typing method here as well. I have to just turn it on to the left it's English, on to the right it's Hindi, and as soon as I click on this I will be able to do a voice typing as well. So since it's an MCQ, I can just pick it here. So let me just submit. So the answer has been saved successfully, and I have been redirected back to the student dashboard. So since the answer has been saved successfully, what I am trying to demonstrate here, these are two distinct processes, one by the teacher, one by the student, and the teacher doesn't have to worry about the student getting doing cheating on his or her exam. So that's the best feature of it. More so, the teacher can relax after making the examination and rely on our online proctoring system. So after the student has submitted the answers, the teacher can view it, and I am doing a login again on the teacher's console, and now I'll be evaluating the answers. So while evaluating, I have to choose the examination. So we had created a demonstration paper, if you remember. So I'll just choose demonstration paper here, and I'll just proceed. So out of 5, the question was what's the capital of India. The student has replied New Delhi. The name of the student was Harshvardhan Yadav of this and this class. Since it's the correct answer, I'll give 5 on 5. If there are multiple students answering the same test, for example there are 30 students answering this test, so you can move between the answer sheets using previous as well as the next option, and I'll just submit this. So since this has been saved and you got an SMS, you got a message, so I'll now check it in the students console. So if you are able to cope up with this, so we have already demonstrated this take exam test, so I'll just go to results and just choose demonstration paper. So what I'm trying to tell you is that what the student is doing is directly visible to the teacher, and what the teacher is doing is directly visible to the student. So there is a transparent process going on without any kind of cheating. So I'll just go here and I get a percentile of 100 on 100, and this was the question and this was the answer which I gave. The total marks was 5, and the marks which I have obtained is also 5. This was the subject, this was the paper, exam ID, and maximum marks. So I can even export it to Excel, to PDF, to other formats, or I can just simply close it. For now I am closing. Now let me also demonstrate to you the teacher record part, which is rather more important. I'll just go to the record section here, and I'll choose the demonstration paper and I'll proceed here. So I have two things, either I have attendance or what you say as presence, that these and these students have attempted your exam, were present at the exam, as well as I have the marks list. So I can have both the records of all the papers which I as a teacher am creating, and I can even export it to Excel, to PDF, to any format in which the school or the teacher wants. And more so, I have the about section here, which has the subject, which has the paper, and which has the exam ID. So in total, what we get as a teacher and a student is a complete platform in which we can develop examinations as well as online routine tests